All right, Wominjeka everybody. My name's Gunga Giri. It's a privilege to be here on beautiful Bunwurrung country. Today I played some yidaki, some didgeridoo, so I created a beautiful atmosphere where the kids were quite mesmerised by the sound, by the smoke, by the sharing of culture. I got the kids to guess some of the sounds of nature, like kookaburras and kangaroos, and just encourage their imagination. I'll do it again for you. So this is the dingo. Does that sound like a dingo? We clap together to symbolise that we are one big community, and when we come together in celebration, it's an amazing thing. And I shared ochre with them, so ochre from Bunwurrung, Bunurong land. So each child had a dot of ochre on their body, which symbolised a connection to country. And it also encourages them at an early age to be invested in caring for country like our ancestors have done since the beginning of time. The idea of Reconciliation Week is that there's awareness back to our First Nations peoples, and it's about community engagement, I feel, because if the wider public is with us caring for country, then we can really be that change together collectively.